Ready to unlock the secrets of taking your Nepali business online with Shopify? Let's dive right in first. The good news: Shopify is accessible in Nepal, meaning you can sign up and start building your online store today. Now, payments: integrating payment gateways is crucial. All direct integration with local gateways like Kalti or Asua might require some workarounds or third-party apps. Explore options that connect Nepali customers to your store as smoothly as possible. Look into the availability of international gateways accessible from Nepal for broader customer reach. Next up, shipping. Research reliable courier services that operate in Nepal, both for domestic and international deliveries. Factor in shipping costs and delivery times to different regions when setting up your product listings. Shopify supports multiple currencies, so you can display prices in Nepali rupees. However, consider potential currency conversion fees and complexities when dealing with international transactions. But let's be real, it's not all smooth sailing. You might face challenges like limited direct support for Nepali-specific regulations or the need to adapt to local market nuances. It's worth exploring Shopify communities or forums for Nepali users for help. Ultimately, while some adjustments may be needed, Shopify can be a viable platform for Nepali entrepreneurs to establish their online presence and reach a wider customer base. So, take the plunge, explore the platform, and see if Shopify is the right fit for your Nepali e-commerce dreams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce insights.